Last Thursday at like 11 p.m., I got a Cash App notification for $150. And the crazy part, I'd sent the video 3 hours earlier. No studio, no camera, no editing software, just me, my laptop, a free AI tool, and about 40 minutes of actual work. I'm about to show you exactly how that happened. Okay, real quick, I'm Alex. This channel is where I show you the actual AI tools I'm using to make real money. No theory, no potential earning screenshots. Real results, real tools, real steps. Quick background. I used to work logistics for $38,000 a year. Nothing glamorous. I started messing with AI tools at night after shifts, like 10 p.m., midnight, whatever. 6 months later, the side income replaced my salary and I walked. That was a minute ago. Now this is what I do full time. So yeah, I know what works and I know what's a waste of your time. Okay, so here's the thing. Everybody wants to make AI videos right now, and I get it. The demand is insane. Brands, small businesses, content creators, YouTube automation channels, everybody needs video content, like everybody. But then you go look at Sora, OpenAI's text-to-video tool, and the quality is genuinely unreal. I'm not even joking, some of those clips look like actual film production. But you know what else it is? Expensive and limited, and not even widely available to just anybody who wants to use it for freelance work at scale. So I'm sitting in Atlanta last month. I've got this client. It runs a small supplement brand out of here, and he wants product promo videos, short ones, like 30 to 60 seconds. He's used to paying agencies $400, $500 a clip. And I told him I could do it for $150. He laughed. He was like, okay, let's see it. And honestly, I almost said that number too confidently, because at that point I had just started testing this tool and I wasn't 100% sure it was going to deliver. That was the scary part. I had the client, I didn't fully have the process yet. So I went home that same night, opened my laptop, and basically stress tested this thing for like 4 hours straight. And what I found genuinely surprised me. The tool is called Kling AI, Kling. Go to klingai.com. Now, I know some of you have heard of it, but most people using it aren't using it the way I'm about to show you. They're just generating random clips and posting them. That's not how you get paid. Here's why Kling actually matters. It does text to video and image to video. The quality on the motion, the way objects and people actually move, is genuinely close to Sora output on a lot of prompts. Like not identical, but close enough that a small business owner is not going to know the difference. And that's really the bar that matters for freelance. The free tier gives you daily credits. Every day you log in, you get credits replenished. You can generate HD video clips, up to about 10 seconds per clip, and string them together. For most of the short promos I'm making, 30 to 60-second videos, I'm working with maybe 5 to 8 clips total. Completely doable on free credits if you plan your generations right. There's also a paid plan, but honestly, for when I was starting out and even now for smaller jobs, the free credits are enough, especially if you're not wasting generations on bad prompts, which I'll get to. The other reason this tool specifically, the output doesn't have a giant watermark plastered all over it on the free tier, which is a huge deal when you're delivering to a client. That was actually the first thing I checked. All right, here's exactly how I built that $150 video, step by step. Step 1. I got a brief from the client, even just a few sentences. What's the product? What's the vibe? Who's the customer? For the supplement brand guy, it was basically energy pre-workout, young athletic audience, bold and clean. That's literally all I needed. Step 2. I went to ChatGPT. Free version is fine. And I had it write me 5 to 7 short video prompt descriptions. Each one describes a 5 to 10-second scene. Athletic person in a gym, dramatic lighting, pouring supplement powder, that kind of thing. Specific, visual, cinematic language. ChatGPT is actually really good at writing Kling prompts if you ask it right. I literally just say, write me a cinematic AI video prompt for Kling AI based on this brief, and paste the brief in. Step 3. I took those prompts into Kling, generated each clip. Here's the thing, and this is important. Not every generation is going to be perfect. Sometimes a hand looks weird or the motion is off. You get a few credits, so you might have to regenerate 1 or 2 scenes. That's normal. Budget for it. Step 4. I downloaded the best clips, took them into CapCut, also free, and edited them together. Added a music track from a royalty-free site, added text overlays for the brand name and tagline. The whole edit probably took me 20 minutes. Step 5. Sent it to the client through Google Drive. He paid me $150 via PayPal within a few hours. That's it. That's the whole thing. So let me be straight with you about the numbers. That first video, $150. Clean, paid same night. After that, I started packaging it. Instead of pitching one video, I pitched a pack, 4 short promo videos for $500. And I found that way easier to sell, honestly, because the client is thinking about content for the whole month, not just one post. I've done 3 of those packs in the last 5 weeks. That's $1,500 from video content alone, plus that first $150 standalone. So call it around $1,650 total from this one method. Now, here's the moment it actually clicked for me. The supplement client sent back a revision request on that first video. He wanted the color grade to look warmer, more sunrise energy vibes. And I was like, wait, I can just regenerate the clips with a slightly different prompt. Add golden hour lighting, warm tones to the description. Took me 15 minutes. He was happy. And I realized this is actually fast to revise compared to anything involving real footage. No reshooting, no editor on standby. Just tweak the prompt, regenerate, swap the clip. That's the actual value. Speed plus quality that's good enough for the use case. The clients I'm working with right now are mostly small Atlanta area brands I found through a couple of Facebook groups and one just from a cold DM I sent on Instagram. I'm not running ads. I'm not on Fiverr yet, though I'm planning to set that up because the volume potential there is real. Right now, it's all word of mouth and direct outreach. Sound too simple? I thought the same thing. Then the PayPal notification hit and I stopped overthinking it. Okay, listen, this is important. This is the thing I did wrong at first that wasted like 2 weeks of my time. I was generating clips just to see what the tool could do. No specific brief, no client in mind, just vibing with it. And the clips look cool, but I wasn't making any money because I had no direction and no one to sell to. Here's the mistake: chasing the tool before chasing the client. Most people who try this are gonna go spend 3 days on Kling generating random AI videos, post one on TikTok, get 200 views, and then say it doesn't work. That's not the method. The method is find the buyer first, even a potential buyer, then build the thing for them. There are small business owners everywhere who are currently paying agencies too much for basic promo content, or they're not making video content at all because they think it's too expensive. You are the cheaper, faster option, but you have to go find them and make the offer before you perfect the craft. My first paying client was someone I already knew, a guy who has a small clothing brand here in Atlanta. I literally just texted him and said, "Hey, I'm doing AI video production now. Let me make you a free sample." He watched the sample. He paid me for the next one. That was the whole pitch. Go find one person first, not 10, one. Real talk. Let me give you the honest range. If you're doing one-off videos at $100 to $150 a pop and you get one client a week, that's $400 to $600 a month. That's not life-changing, but it's real money on the side with maybe 3 to 4 hours of actual work per week. If you move to packages, 4 videos for $400 to $500, and you land 2 clients a month, you're looking at $800 to $1,000, still part-time hours. Scale it up, get to 4 or 5 recurring monthly clients, you're in the $2,000 to $3,000 range. I know people doing more than that, but I'm not going to throw out numbers I can't personally back up. Back when I was running logistics, I would have taken $800 extra a month without blinking. Growing up, my mom always said extra money doesn't mean extra stress. She was talking about something else, but it applies here. This method has basically zero overhead. Free tool, free editor. The only thing you're spending is time. All right, if this was useful, hit subscribe. I put out videos like this every week. Real tools, real numbers, no fluff. Next video I'm dropping, I'm going to show you how I use one AI tool to find and pitch clients on autopilot. Like the actual outreach system, not just send cold DMs, bro. A real workflow that's been bringing in new leads while I'm doing other stuff. That one's going to be good. Don't miss it. Drop a comment below if you're going to try Kling this week. I actually read those. And if you got questions about the client side, finding people to pay you, ask down there. I'll answer. See you in the next one. Total spoken word count: 1,510 words.